In this video, I'll show you how to contact Amazon customer service from the app. So if you want to talk to live chat, then this is how you do it. At the bottom menu, press on the three horizontal lines, and then under your shortcuts, tap on your account. From here, you want to scroll down the customer service section and tap on contact us. From here, scroll down and find the subcategory that says something else just here, and then press on view all to the right of it. Scroll down to the very bottom option and select I need more help. Start a new chat. So come to the chat box at the bottom and type on speak to agent and press enter. Then it'll ask you want to speak to a customer service associate. Tap on yes, that's right. And then it'll give you an option to connect with a customer service associate. So you simply tap the middle one. Once again, tap on chat with an associate. And it's now connecting you to live chat. So that's how to contact Amazon customer service from the app.